In this video, I'll show you how to be doors in Roblox. If you find the tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Being doors in Roblox lets you embody the mysterious and spooky elements of the game, enhancing the thrill for both you and other players. It's a fun way to immerse yourself in the eerie atmosphere and interact creatively. To begin your journey with doors on Roblox, start by opening the Roblox homepage on your laptop or PC. Make sure you are logged into your Roblox account. At the top of the page, you'll find the search bar where you can type doors to locate the game. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the game titled Doors by the creator L Splash. When you've identified the correct game, click on the play button to proceed. After the game menu loads, you might be prompted to select options or provide credentials. Follow the instructions on the screen to start the game. When you're ready to dive in, you'll be presented with different gameplay locations. For instance, one popular choice is the hotel, but you can choose any available option that appeals to you. Once you've made your selection, the game will take a moment to load. Be patient during this phase, as it ensures a seamless experience. When the loading is complete, the gameplay will begin. From here, you can fully immerse yourself in the world of doors. Feel free to explore the eerie environments, solve puzzles, and discover the game's mysteries at your own pace. Remember, the goal of doors is not just exploration, but also survival. So be prepared for surprises as you navigate through its unique levels. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you're ready to enjoy the immersive and thrilling experience of doors on Roblox. Each playthrough offers something new, so don't hesitate to experiment and enjoy the adventure. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.